Mastering transitive phrasal verbs, the secret key to English fluency. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs. More specifically, we will tackle transitive phrasal verbs, a crucial element of English grammar. Understanding these can take your English to the next level, enabling you to express your ideas more effectively and naturally. Before we jump into examples and exercises, let's take a moment to understand what transitive phrasal verbs are. Phrasal verbs, as you may recall, are phrases made up of a verb and one or more prepositions. The transitive part means that these verbs need an object to complete their meaning. Without an object, a sentence with a transitive phrasal verb doesn't make sense. For example, consider the phrasal verb, turn on. You can't simply say, I turned on. It's incomplete. You need to specify what you turned on, like, I turned on the light. Now that we know what transitive phrasal verbs are, let's look at some common examples. 1. Bring up, to introduce a topic. He didn't want to bring up the issue during the meeting. 2. Check out, to look at or investigate. I need to check out that new movie everyone's talking about. 3. Turn off, to stop a machine or light. Please turn off the lights when you leave. Practice using these in your daily English conversations. An important thing to remember when using transitive phrasal verbs is their placement in a sentence. Generally, if the object is a noun, it can go either directly after the verb or after the preposition. However, if the object is a pronoun, it must go in between the verb and the preposition. Let's see this in action. Correct, I picked up the book. Or, I picked the book up. Correct, I picked it up. Incorrect, I picked up it. Well, that's a wrap on our brief dive into transitive phrasal verbs. Remember, understanding and using these effectively can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Try to incorporate them into your daily English practice, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. Thanks for joining us today, and keep up the great work with your English learning journey.